Am I good enough compared to this engineer? And if I don't deliver, then I might not get promoted or I might get fired. And then,
She asked, how come being a software engineer can be painful?
well, it just comes from the imposter syndrome.
What is that about?
Imposter syndrome is just a fear or a worry of not being good enough.
So it's kind of like looking in the past rather than just doing what you're doing when you're doing it.
Looking in the past or the future, fearing the outcome.
What did you do to get yourself present?
I like to kind of think of this visually as like I have a thought. Oh, am I good enough? Am I good enough compared to this engineer? And if I don't deliver, then I might not get promoted or I might get fired. And then at some point I stop the chain of these thoughts and I notice one of them and I see the thought and the energy behind it. By doing that, I free myself of the pain that those thoughts are causing. And I could choose to, not in my head, but in my beingness, I could choose to sit in a different energy of possibility towards creating something of value. And when I sat in that energy, I became so present with just the work.